up, guys? We're just gonna go ahead and talk to you guys about this fuel system install we're doing today on Allen's 442. We already did this swap and it came with a lot of customer installed parts. Well, not customer installed, but customer picked. It had a Tanks Inc. Fuel system in it. It was all -6, it wasn't E85 rated, and it had a Hellcat 525 pump in it. And we're kind of particular with our swaps here, and we really like Rick's tanks. And we'll show you the reasons in a second, but we just wanted to tell you that we've had a few problems with this car, and it's all been fuel related. And sometimes that's just a growing pain, that's just part of the whole system. And what was going on is with the Hellcat pumps, per se, when you first start them up, if they're low on fuel, if you have maybe 5, maybe 10 gallons in there and it's not saturated fully in the tank, the pump can overwork itself and it starts to bleed off pressure for the remainder of its life. And that's a problem we were having. And later on down the road, we noticed that he was going to make a lot more power than the -6 fuel system was going to work up to. So we went ahead and got him set up with one of our favorite companies we like to use, and it's this nice stainless Rick's tank. It's all -8. It has -8 main, -8 auxiliary pump. It's running two 450s, and it is running a -8 return. A lot of the system had to be changed out all the way from front to back. The only thing we were able to keep was the regulator. And if you come in, and you'll see that it has a nice billet hat, and it's running a nice pigtail for the fuel level. It has all seam welded all the way around. It is notched for your exhaust. And this is why we really like these tanks for our swaps. It's just it's an added piece, and it's a comfort piece too, because these tanks they work. They're baffled inside. They're fully sealed, and they're a work of art, and they're a good chunk of money, but we like them and they work. We got the tank in for the last time, and as you can see, fits really good, fits just like stock, except for it looks a lot better. If you come in close, you'll see the reason why we go with the notch setup is because you want to be able to get your exhaust to be all the way back out the back of the car. And as you've seen before, it is a -8 system. It all is plumbed, it's ready for E85. Like I said, it's dual 450s, nice Y block. It's got an aeromotive fuel pressure regulator, plumbed. It has fiberglass protective sleeve all the way from the front to the back, and it's gonna be a good system. It's the way we like to run these things. We shouldn't incur any problems. We have a lot of experience with all these products that we use, and we choose them for a reason. I just hope you guys enjoy what it looks like, because from what I can see, this thing is beautiful. It's a work of art. Shout out to Rick's, especially for them for setting us up with that system. So just wanted to let you guys see what we've been working on with the Cutlass, and the reason sometimes, this thing has been all over with Allen driving it, us driving it sometimes, and even when you come by the shop, it might be back on the rack, but we wanted to explain what's been going on. It's a lot of the fuel system components. Sometimes you just let people pick things and it doesn't work out, but in the end, we went with what we really liked and what we our bread and butter, and this is going to be, hopefully no problems. It should be A1 system, just like we set up, and can't wait to see you guys on the next one. You'll be seeing this on the road in a second.